Hi guys, it has been some time since I posted my last video. I have some free time now, so I might as well make some video, right? About a year ago, I made this video, how to make McSpicy better. That is actually my thought and rendition of how I think McSpicy can be better. But in this video, I'll be trying to make a flavor profile as close as I can to the original McSpicy. So, here we go.
The first thing is to prepare the wet brine. In a pot, mix in 7 cups of water, 1/3 cups of chicken powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Give it a good mix. A wet brine is a concentration of salt in water. The salt will not only permeate into the chicken, but also help retain the moisture in the chicken. Place 1 kg chicken thigh in the brine for at least 4 hours, but best overnight. Now to create the spiciness. In the blender, add at least 3 chili padi and 2 tablespoons of oil to the blender. Feel free to add more chili padi if you like it spicier. Blitz it till cohesive.
So once you're done with your garlic confit, you're gonna give it a try. So you see this? Give it a slight test. Ooh. That's enough heat. If you have eaten McSpicy, you have noticed orange spots here and there in the McSpicy burger. This is me trying to emulate that kind of spiciness, that kind of spot spiciness. So when you taste it in certain places, you get that spiciness.
Next, we will prepare the flour mixture. In a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup of plain flour, 1/2 cup potato starch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, and lastly 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Give it a good whirl. The reason to use 1/2 cup of potato starch is to limit too much gluten formation from the plain flour, which will cause the coating to be too tough. Up next, we will prepare the egg wash. Combine 1 cup of milk and 1 egg together. Beat till frothy. In a pot, add enough oil to submerge the chicken. Heat to 180 degrees Celsius. Drain chicken from the brine. Mix in chili confit to the thigh. Then dip in egg wash very gently, so as not to wash away the chili. Lastly, coat the chicken thoroughly in the flour mixture. On hindsight, maybe we could do the opposite as well. Dip in egg wash first instead, then dip in chili confit next. But whatever floats your boat. If you do not have a thermometer, use the chopstick method. If bubble forms semi-violently on the chopstick, you're good to go. Cook it for a total of 8 minutes, 4 minutes on each side. A perfectly done chicken thigh will finish at 74 degrees. So at about 71 to 72 degrees, you can start to remove it from the heat already. Let it rest for a while and it will hit 74 degrees. And then you'll get really juicy chicken thigh. Place a chopping board on the table. Take your buns out and slice it to half. Always toast your bun. The Maillard reaction between the buns and the heat will caramelize the sugar in the bun, making it 2 times more tasty. I prefer to use the pan as opposed to a toaster because heating on the pan will crust up the surface, but the interior still remain moist and fluffy. I personally feel toasting in a toaster or oven dehydrates the bun too much. You'll need half an Ice Berg Lettuce next. Shred it, baby. Here comes the moment we have been all waiting for. Assembly of the burger. Spread mayonnaise on the lower and top bun. Place shredded lettuce on top of the bottom bun, followed by the crispy chicken. Seal the deal with the top bun and there you go. Beautiful, beautiful burger has been created. If this doesn't taste like McSpicy, I'll give you permission to give me a slap. No caps, for real.